guys, so we're going to get ready for a budgeting project that we're going to start later this week. So, what you need to do in order to get ready for it is I want you guys to do a little review. So, here's our little review sheet. So, for part one, you're just going to compute wages. Remember, wages equal the hours you worked times the rate, which will give you the wages per week. For part two, you're just going to figure out the estimate wages. For the purposes of this review, assume that everyone works 40 hours a week. So I gave you the hourly rate, and you're going to have to figure out approximately what their annual wages are, how much they made per year. For the next part of this assignment, because this is something that you're going to have to do for your project, where we're going to research a career, how much the career makes, how you're going to have to figure out the annual wages, and then you're going to have to figure out the percent that you can use towards putting it towards rent, electricity, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to work on finding the percent of a number. Remember, finding the percent of a number is finding a part of a whole. For example, if we want to find 10% of 50, the first thing we want to do is change the percent to a decimal. In order to change a percent to the decimal, you're going to move the decimal over 2 spaces to the left. If it's a whole number, like in this example, 10%, you're going to assume that the decimal point is right after the whole number. So you're going to put it right there and move it 2 spots. So 10% would equal 0.10. Then, in order to find the percent, you're going to multiply. The word of in a math word problem usually means multiply. So in order to find 10% of 50, all you're going to do is do 0.10 times 50. So 10% of 50 is 5. 5 is part, 50 is the whole. So if we put that into a word problem, 10% of the students are wearing red today. If there are 50 students, how many students are wearing red? So all you're going to find is 10% of 50 students would be 5 students. 5 students are wearing red. So for part 3, all you're going to do is rename these percents as a whole. Like I said, if it's a whole number, the decimal point is right at the end. However, some of these have the decimal point in those. Then you're going to find the percent. So find 30% of 90, which is just like how we did in step 1 and 2. Then there are 4 little word problems at the end in which you're going to figure out the percent. This will help prepare us for the research project that we're going to do starting the end of this week. All right, so you're going to have today and Tuesday to work on this assignment. Enjoy.